what are the new products you are launching here? Tell me about the product and what is specifications.
Yeah, see, this Imtex, what we have tried to show is the energy efficient machines, environment friendly machines, and also which should give green manufacturing. What we have come out with two kinds of product, mainly servo mechanical press and also servo hybrid hydraulic presses. Both these technologies basically gives how the energy can be saved, and we can use lesser hydraulic valves and components, and the maintenance becomes less, and noise pollution, everything on account of environment, it becomes very friendly. So this is the message we want to give. Once this technology is absorbed by the industry, the benefit will be they will have their energy cost per stroke or overall production cost will get reduced.
What are the problems you are facing in this metal forming industry?
Metal forming industry, see, the main problem is the industry has to accept new technology, new developments, and the older machines which are maintenance not maintenance friendly and all this, they should really think of going for newer technology, which our Indian industry has not come up to the our satisfaction. So the industry has to accept the newer technology. This.
Is there any lack of investment in this metal forming industry?
Yes, because of adverse market condition, probably the investment scenario is not that good. So the industry is not ready to invest many capital investment they don't want to do now.
What will be the survival strategy for this year?
Imtex gives us a platform. What we are trying to show here, to reach to the user sector, showing our capability, newer technology, and expand our customer base. This is a forum where a lot of people come, from every sectors, from inside the country and also from abroad. What basically we are looking for, we have to expand our customer base. So this is what is our
survival strategy for this.
Yes.
And any more thing you want to explain to this media?
It's a competitive industry. If every time what we wanted to do, the newer technology has a competitive rate. The industry, only thing what the industry has to accept that machines, a lot of technology, still Indian industry believes it only can be imported. So what in India we can make, these are the higher technology machines which are to be accepted by the industry, user industry.